A 31-year-old farmer has been slapped with a murder charge after he reportedly stabbed a man in his chest with a log during a dispute in George Valley, St. James last Friday. Charged is Jason Jarrett, otherwise called Pope Paul, of a Georges Valley address in the parish. The victim is 66-year-old Hector Woolery, a plumber from the same community. Reports from the Maroontown police are that about 4 p.m. Woolery and Jarrett had an argument which escalated. Woolery allegedly used a piece of log to attack Jarrett, which resulted in him stabbing Woolery in the left side of the chest. The police were summoned and Woolery was assisted to hospital where he was pronounced dead. Jarrett was taken into custody and later charged on Tuesday, August 15, following a question and answer session in the presence of his attorney. A motorcyclist has died as a result of injuries he sustained in a crash on the porous main road in Manchester on Tuesday night. Police named the deceased as Devon Stevenson, 52, a resident of Lincoln District near Hatfield in the parish. A police report said that about 7:45 p.m. Stevenson was driving a motorcycle eastward towards Williamsfield when he collided with a Toyota Probox at the intersection of Porous Main Road and Trinity Road. The car was reportedly exiting a minor road when the crash happened. Stevenson sustained serious injury and was rushed to hospital where he was pronounced dead. A senior police source said the driver of the motorcar has been warned for prosecution. A 32-year-old United States resident died after his motor vehicle collided with an ambulance on Queens Road, Discovery Bay in St. Anne on Tuesday. He has been identified as Jarrell Donato of Dallas, Texas. Reports from the Discovery Bay police are that about 5:15 p.m. Donato was driving his Mazda Demio motorcar from the direction of Montego Bay, St. James. On reaching a section of the roadway, he collided with an ambulance that was traveling in the opposite direction. The police were alerted and both drivers were transported to hospital where Donato was pronounced dead.